Hi friends, today is day 41 of our manners journey. Today we are learning about respecting public places and no shouting in public. The quiet quest of Leo and Mia. Today, Leo and Mia are going on a big adventure across the city with their teacher, Mr. Henderson. Their mission: to visit 5 different places and collect respect stars by using their public voices. Remember, Mr. Henderson says a public place is like a giant shared living room. We have to keep it nice for everyone. 1. The Whisper Library. Their first stop is the City Library. The walls are lined with thousands of books. Leo is so excited to find a book about rocket that he starts to jump and yell, "Look, Mia, rockets, boom." The problem: people trying to study look up, startled. A baby starts to cry because of the loud noise. The lesson: Mia puts a finger to her lips. Leo, if we shout, others can't think. We use our library whisper. The respectful choice: Leo lowers his voice to a tiny breathy whisper. He realizes he can still be excited without being loud. 2. The Art Museum Maze. Next, they visit the art museum. The rooms are huge and have echoes. Mia sees a beautiful painting of a sunset and wants to call Leo, who is all the way across the room. She takes a deep breath to scream his name. The problem: shouting in a room with echoes makes the noise bounce and grow louder, which might scare people or distract them from the art. The lesson: instead of shouting, Mia walks quickly over to Leo and speaks at a normal volume. The respectful choice: "Look at the colors, Leo," she says quietly. By walking to him instead of yelling, she keeps the peace. 3. The busy bus ride. The group hops on a bus to go to the park. The bus is crowded. Leo and Mia want to play a game of I Spy, and Leo starts shouting his guesses. "I spy a red car. I spy a blue truck." The problem: the bus driver needs to concentrate on the road, and the passengers sitting right next to Leo are covering their ears. The lesson: Mr. Henderson explains, when we are in a small, crowded space, our voices should be like a gentle hum, not a roar. The respectful choice: Leo and Mia play the game using indoor voices, leaning in close to each other so only they can hear the guesses. 4. The Hospital Garden. They pass by a hospital garden where people are resting on benches. Mia sees a beautiful butterfly and wants to cheer. The problem: in places like hospitals, people are often tired, sick, or resting. Loud noises can be very stressful for them. The lesson: Leo reminds Mia, some places are for healing. We show respect by being extra quiet here. The respectful choice: Mia claps her hands silently and smiles at the butterfly, showing respect for the patients resting nearby. 5. The movie theater magic. The final stop is a special 3D movie. As soon as the movie starts, Leo wants to narrate everything. "Watch out, he's going to fall," he shouts at the screen. The problem: everyone else paid for a ticket to hear the movie, not Leo's commentary. The lesson: Mia whispers, "Save the big talk for the car ride home, Leo." Let's listen together. The respectful choice: Leo zips his lips and enjoys the movie. He realizes that by staying quiet, he hears the cool sound effects much better. The big lesson. As the sun sets, Mr. Henderson gives Leo and Mia their gold stars. "You both learned the most important secret," Mr. Henderson says. "Respecting a public place means thinking about the people around you. When we stop the shouting, we make room for everyone to enjoy the day." Leo and Mia head home, proud that they know how to match their voices to the world around them. Bye-bye for now. See you in the next story. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Manna Magic Kid.